This is Shelley Craft coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the Sprott Natural Resource Symposium here in Vancouver 2014. Blaine Monaghan from Pure Gold, symbols PGM on the TSX Venture and LRTNF on the OTC markets. It's a publicly traded company. Blaine, welcome to SNNLive.
Thank you, Shelley. Great to be here.
It's good to have you. Let's get right into it. I want the pure story on gold.
You want the pure deal. The pure deal. Well, Pure Gold is a new company. It was known as Laurentian Goldfields up until the end of June. We went through a name change, Pure Gold, to reflect our focus, which is gold. We're 100% focused on an asset called the Madsen Gold Project, which is located in the prolific Red Lake District. We acquired this in March. It was a past producer of 2.5 million ounces gold. It has current resources of 1.2 million ounces gold. And it's located right in the heart of Red Lake. It's the third largest land position in Red Lake behind Goldcorp and Rubicon. Rob McEwen, interestingly enough, is one of our largest shareholders. We have a great management team with capital market and technical expertise, and we're looking to make a new discovery in Red Lake, a new discovery, a multi-million ounce discovery that will reinvigorate this project.
Well, it sounds to me like when you're in elephant country like that, it stands to reason that there's a bunch of gold somewhere and you're probably going to find it.
It sure does, Shelley. What we're doing, actually, we're applying a new exploration model to the Madsen Gold Project. It was producing since the 30s up until the 70s. As I said, it produced 2.5 million ounces gold. We've had a lot of new discoveries in the Red Lake District, like Goldcorp's Red Lake high-grade zone, Phoenix F2, Rubicons. You've had the Koshner that was discovered by Gold Eagle and sold to Goldcorp for $1.5 billion in 2008 without a resource. And this led to a new understanding of the Red Lake, a new exploration model, and that has not been applied yet to Madsen. So we're looking to use that new model and go out there to make the next multi-million ounce discovery.
And you're funded, and you're out there hunting, and you're out there drilling. You want to explain some of your programs?
Sure. Well, it was a recent transaction. We just closed it in March. We have our people on the ground. We're looking at over 13,000 drill holes. We're putting together the exploration model, how we're going to target this property. There is so much data, that's a challenge of itself. There's actually a shaft in place that's 1,300 meters deep. There's 27 levels of workings. There's a permitted mill. It's patented ground, so we don't need or require exploration permits. We look to start drilling in mid-August with a 9,000 meter drill program to start, and we're budgeting approximately $5 million for exploration this year, and we have about $8 million in the treasury at present.
This is pretty exciting. I mean, this is a really a potential story that's going to be really, it could yield, you know, we have to be careful what we say. We don't want to be too bullish in our projections. But, I mean, it seems like you've got good potential partnerships as well.
I think so. I don't think you could have success in the Red Lake without coming to the attention of Goldcorp. They are the largest landholder. That is where they made, that is where they became the company they are today with the Red Lake high-grade zone. Before the Red Lake high-grade zone was discovered, Red Lake was a camp in decline. It was only until Rob McEwen launched the Goldcorp Challenge, which led to this new understanding of high-grade mineralization, that Goldcorp became what it is today. They went from being a 50,000 ounce producer losing money. Once that Red Lake high-grade zone was discovered, they were over 500,000 ounces gold at 80 odd grams per ton, and that enabled them to become the company they are today. And that's something that we're looking to try to emulate with a discovery here.
So Blaine, why this symposium?
Well, it's actually a very interesting story, and it goes back to the roots of our company and one of our directors, Mark O'Day. Mark O'Day actually came in second place in a challenge that was launched by Goldcorp back when they went on strike and they're trying to discover the next high-grade zone. He placed in second. So Mark O'Day, that launched his career. Ultimately, he was able to take a company from 2 million market cap, which was sold to Newmont just several years ago for $2.3 billion. So he was always the one that was very interested in Red Lake, and he really provided the impetus for us to acquire this project. and he's on a panel later tonight on the Explorers League. That's just one example of, you know, the fine people we have behind this company and why we think we're going to have so much success in the Red Lake.
So now, for more interest on the company, which website would you like to send our audience to?
Your viewers can go to www.puregoldmining.ca.
Ladies and gentlemen, Blaine Monaghan, Pure Gold. Pure Gold. This man is pure gold. And it's a publicly traded company, and the symbols are PGM on the TSX Venture and LRTNF on the OTC markets. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNNLive. We're at the Sprott Natural Resource Symposium in Vancouver 2014. Blaine, good to see you.
Thanks, Shelley. Good to see you. Thank you.